G'day guys, welcome back to Tyrepower North Lakes. This week's effort, we're going to be working on this 𝐒𝐲𝐫𝐸 DMAX. It's going to be getting the works this one, so we're going to be doing a suspension kit, a Bullbar, wheels and tyres, and a post-rego GVM upgrade. So, as we do, we'll take you through it. We'll go in depth with a few features on a couple of things we're going to be doing, and we'll bring you along and see how it goes. Rightio guys, so we've got the DMAX in the workshop now, got it up in the air. What we always do is we do an initial test drive on the cars just to make sure everything's okay. Bring them in, we do before measurements for the suspension, and then get her up and get onto it. So this is the DMAX here, the front bar, the whole thing comes off, so the AFN Bullbar is a full bumper replacement. And we've got a few of the parts sitting on the bench here at the moment, so these are the recovery points. As you can see, they're a very strong unit, quite big. Just a few of the infill panels and stuff here, so we'll run you through all the stuff as we go through it, and we'll take you through the suspension stuff as well. These are the wheels and tyres we're going to be doing. So they're the 𝐓𝐲𝐫𝐷 in the graphite face. So we've got those there with the Falken tyres, and today we're going to be doing a 265/70/17 on this particular car. We do this one a lot, works really good. So that's pretty much all we need to know for now. Like I said, we'll show the suspension when we get that all ready, and we'll go through it. Okay guys, so this DMAX has tyre pressure sensors installed onto it. So some of the cars come with this as standard, and a lot more of them are coming with it these days. So what we need to do is remove that sensor from there, and we put a new valve that accepts the sensor in the new rim and bolt it on there. So we'll show you what that looks like when it's all done. Alright, so that's the sensor in the new rim all ready to go. So basically you just fit the tyre up to that, then everything works as it should, as normal. There you go. So the Bullbar is just about to go on. I thought we'd give you a bit of a view of these little infill panels. So the fit on the AFN is really good. So they come with these little plastic panels that wrap around the guards there and the headlight. The only trimming you have to do at all is just on this front grille here. So trim that up to shape. And there she is. So next step, we'll put the Bullbar on. Okay, Bullbar's on the car. Looking quite good. Still got to finish a couple of things off with the wings and the infill panels. Got to trim them up. But there she is, almost finished. There's the recovery points there. We really like these AFN Bullbars. The styling on them is really good. You can see the side of the Bullbar wraps right round on itself and protects the side of the car as well. So there she is. We'll have a bit of a look at the suspension next and show you what's going on there. Alright, so we're going to be fitting a Dobinsons IMS Monotube suspension kit for this DMAX. The customer has just chosen to go for a 2-inch kit today, and we're going to be setting it up a bit more for towing for this one. So we'll show you through a couple of features of the kit here. So we'll start with the leaf springs. So the leaf springs are quite a heavy duty unit for this one. They carry a fair bit of weight, so there's quite a lot of main leafs in there. Dobinsons does have a really good range of options that you can choose to get the weight tailored for you right, you know. So also moving on, so we've got the front struts there. Once again, lots of different options of coils that Dobinsons has compared to some other brands out there that might only have sort of, you know, 2 or 3 max. They do have lots of different ones that they can use. So that's that one there. Now, as the name suggests, they are a monotube shock. They're a 50mm bore or 2-inch bore, and yeah, the air is separated from the oil. So it is quite good for you know, reducing cavitation and fade on the shocks basically. So All the kits we do as well, they all get the greasable shackles and the greasable pins for the rear end. We've got new U-bolts there, Dobinsons polyurethane bushes for the leaf springs. This one is getting a rear brake line spacer. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. So we'll get a few videos of the old stuff coming out, the new stuff going in, see how it goes. Alrighty guys, we've got the rear end of this one all buttoned up. We've got the heavy duty leafs in there. We've got the 450 kg rear leaf in the rear of this one. This customer's going to be towing quite a big van. So we've got the greasable shackles in there as well, which just helps with the longevity of the polyurethane bushes from Dobinsons. And we're also running the Monotube IMS shocks in here as well, which is, you know, they run a lot cooler with heavy loads and towing. Just being they have a lot more oil capacity in these ones. So alright, we'll catch up when we've got the front all buttoned up. Alrighty, so the guys have been working real hard on this one today. We've got the front end all buttoned up. Got the Dobinsons Monotube IMS front struts in there. We've got the springs to suit the AFM Bullbar. And another thing we do with the DMAXs is fit a ball joint spacer. So this will just help with the wheel alignment, just to get the cambers and casters correct when you are fitting the bigger wheels and tyres. So we'll catch up when we've got the wheels and tyres on this one and see how we're travelling. So the guys have got the bull bar all sorted as well. Got the wings on, got the inner guards all cut. We spend a lot of time making sure we do these nice and neat, making sure we get a nice clean cut on the wings. Just a little bit of fit and finish on these ones just to help with it, because they are a nice fitting bar, being they are a full bumper replacement. So we just like to spend a bit of time and just make sure everything's done right, all the gaps are all correct, just so that way everything is all has a nice neat finish on these ones. So we'll catch up when we've got the wheels and tyres on and got a wheel alignment all sorted as well. Rightio guys, DMAX is all done, all ready to go. Quite a big job on this one, so here's the final product. As always, with the AFM bar and the RAH wheels, looks really good. So we've got the Falken Wildpeak tyres on here. So we run these on our own cars and we're really happy with them. They're probably the best all-rounder tyre on the market. Now, we'll take you through a couple of things. We'll give you a good view of the suspension now that it's all in. So we've got the Dobinsons IMS suspension there. Bit of a look at the Bullbar. You can see how it does wrap around on itself. So you're really happy with this one, guys. Just a good note as well, this one also got a post-rego GVM upgrade. So we can do that for certain vehicles as well, so let us know if you want to try and get one of them done. So there we are, really happy with this one, guys. Just remember, you can always give us a call anytime on 3153 4136. We're at 105 Flinders Parade in North Lakes. Come down and see us if you want to get your four-wheel drive all tricked up and we'll help you out. Thanks very much.